Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make Oreo Frappuccino, or as I would like to call it, Oreochino. To make this I need some Oreos, 8 pieces, but I've already broken it into the pieces. This is just to show you how many pieces I used. These ones are for the decoration. Ice cream, milk, ice cubes, vanilla, blender, and a cup. So let's get started. Sorry, my battery went off. So I've added the ice cubes, the Oreos, the ice cream, the milk, So I made some Oreos in a cup and I put in the freezer so that it will stick to the cup. So I'm going to just pour it inside. And I'm going to pour some cream inside. Then I'm going to still decorate it with some Oreos. So here it is, the Oreo Frappuccino.